Hi. So in this particular video, we'll try and understand system message and what is its impact in LangChain and OpenAI. We have used system message in both of these APIs, but what is its impact? So the system role in the messages array that we use here uh, is used to set the behavior of the assistant. The content of the system message, in this particular case, it is your helpful assistant that translates from English to French, translate the user sentence. The content of the system message is typically an instruction like this that guides the assistant's behavior throughout the conversation. So this particular behavior that we have set will remain the same throughout the conversation. Let's say after this, we want to ask another question. If we pass in another messages array, we'll get a similar response of converting our English message to to a French sentence. Now, system messages are especially useful when you want to set the tone or style of an assistant's response, right? For example, I want this. Uh, uh, so we'll see this in future, how we can create RAG pipelines, how we can embed multiple documents, how we can create vectors. So basically, if we want to get answers based on a specific document, and nothing apart from it, right? The LLM might know everything that is there on the internet right now. But I wanted to answer my questions based on only specific set of documents. How do you do that? So that can be done using prompt engineering by applying prompt engineering in this particular system message. So you can write specific instructions here that answer my questions only based on the documents that I have shared with you. So these kinds of prompt engineering techniques can be used here in system message to set the behavior, style, and tone of the assistant. Now, it is important to note that system message don't directly appear in any conversation with the user, right? For example, if you see the response of the message here, system message is not appearing here, right? So it is just used to set the assistant's behavior without affecting the flow of our conversation. So it won't get in the way of what you're trying to do, right? Now I can show you another example of how we have used this system message. So I've asked the LLM to speak like Shakespeare in English, right? If I hadn't mentioned English, it would continue to answer me in French because that's what we had set up earlier as the system message, right? So in this particular case, I asked it to answer like Shakespeare in English, and I asked it the question, explain computers to me. So you can see it wrote that response in how Shakespeare would speak. So that's it that I wanted to cover in this video. Thank you. See you in the next one.